Hello guys, today we are making super crunch snack. Listen to that crunchy. These golden crispy snacks are made with only 3 ingredients. Let's start. We have wheat flour, lemon, water, salt, cooking oil. So I start with wheat flour in a bowl. A little salt for flavor, then a fresh lemon zest to give the snack a lightly fleshing taste. Then let us mix well to combine. I gradually add water while kneading until I get a soft dough. Then I add in oil. A little oil helps make the dough smoother and easier to work with. I continue kneading until it becomes firm. I cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes so it relaxes and becomes easier to roll. After resting, this is how our dough is. It is soft and smooth. I divide the dough into small balls. This is our ball we have made. Add some oil in a glass. I take a moment to relax a bit. Look how beautiful our sky look. I roll them into small round shapes. I keep rolling them until I make like 7 round shapes. To create layers, I brush some oil. Then I sprinkle a little flour between each layer before stacking them together. This helps layers separate easily later while frying them. Then I roll out my round shapes flat. I press them on a pan over the fire. I fry them on a medium heat. I lightly cook them on a pan just to firm them up so I can separate the thin sheets without tearing them. So look how we easily separate our sheets. Look. So guys, I take this moment to show you how it's raining outside as I cook. Let us continue separating our sheets. So our sheets are ready. I cover them with kitchen towels so that they don't dry up. Let us mix our flour paste. So we add in water and start mixing until it becomes thick but not so watery. Now I get my sheets. I press one by one on chopping board. I divide them in the middle using the knife by cutting. So look, this is how they look. Next, I fold each neatly. I seal the end with a little flour paste so they stay closed while frying. This is how simple it is. So I continue folding all until I finish all of them. So look how beautiful they look after folding. You should not use a lot of paste, just a little enough. Next, I heat some oil in a pan. Now let us test our cooking oil. If bubbles appear, it means it is ready to start frying. I dip each piece in hot oil. I keep turning them gently so they don't burn out. Look, they have started turning brown. I fry on medium heat so that they cook evenly. Our first bunch is ready. Now we are frying the next bunch. Don't forget to keep turning them. I fry until golden brown and perfectly crunchy. And here you have it, simple 3-ingredient homemade crispy snack. Hear that crunchy sound? These house nuts can be kept for a long period of time. So let us pop them. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, see you in the next one on Friday 5:45 p.m. East African time.